and welcome to OneStepNow, my YouTube channel where I do product reviews of the essentials that I use to create YouTube content across 5 channels on YouTube. I've been doing that for about 10 years, and I'm sharing my current setup and evolved knowledge set with you because it's important to be able to create videos efficiently, especially if you don't have all day and you want to create a good product but you don't want to break the bank because you're probably not making that much money. Alright, off of YouTube, but you enjoy it and you want to create something cool. That's my situation. So, here is an essential we all should have, which is a quality pair, an inexpensive pair of wired headphones. You're going to need them if you go anywhere that doesn't do Bluetooth headphones, and something portable. This is a type I've been using for years. They come by different model names. I'll put a link in the description. This one is the MDR-XB50 AP. Sony extra bass headphone set, and this is my third pair. And why have I had to get 3 pairs? Well, because I destroy them. I slam them indoors. The last pair I had actually was run over by a car in the street. I'm not even kidding. It fell off my ears in a bump, and a car ran over them, and I actually continued to use them for years. That's my backup set. They work fine still. They got dented, and the inside of this got dented a little, but it never stopped working. So these are great little headphones. They're so reliable, and now you can get them for like half the price of what they used to be. You know, 3-4 years ago they were twice the price. Now everybody wants the Bluetooth, I suppose, but you know, for me, I got to have a pair of headphones like that. And one of the things I want the headphones like this to have is the higher bass. And this one really does have a great extra bass capability to it. That's how they advertise it. But a lot of Sony products do that. They just add the extra bass, you know, and post-processing type of thing. And I love it. You know, it might not be your thing if you want true sound, but I like that a lot. So I would recommend you have these, and I'll just give you an example of why. I could give you 1,000 examples of why, but if I'm editing music or I'm doing most of the things I do, I am going to be on this Focusrite, which is a great, by the way, digital audio to digital converter. I would be plugging into that headphone jack right there, which is the large type. Of course, this won't work for that, but I don't want it to work for that because that's for studio sound type stuff. But if I want to plug it into my PreSonus little mini studio speakers, that accepts a mini jack, and I don't have to be messing with the gigantic studio headphones. So most of the time I'm just going to be listening to music like that. So I just plug them straight in. That's why you got to have a little set. You know, that's the whatever, the 30 bucks or less you spent, you never regret, because they're so useful. When I'm flying the drone down at the beach, capturing sunrises, sunsets, I'm wearing these. You know, just 1,000 applications, but they're such a important and inexpensive part of the YouTube content creator experience, in my mind, is to have a good pair of portable and plus inexpensive quality headphones. So they're my choice. If these got crushed again beneath a gigantic machine, I would go buy another pair, and that's why I'm telling you about them, because I think they're well worth it. They come with a case, and they also come with, let's see, 6 additional earbuds of different sizes for your ear size, I guess. But anyway, I've never really had a problem losing earbuds, and I never really use the cases because I just jam them in my pocket. But anyway, I use the case for something else. So thanks for watching OneStepNow. If you find videos like this useful, I put them out all the time. So go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notifications. That way you'll know as the new videos come out. And I appreciate you watching. OneStepNow. Go ahead and take that step right now.